Welcome to our channel.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to Fluentmere English Podcast.
Have you ever wanted to introduce yourself in English, but your mind just went blank?
You know your name, but suddenly you forget everything else?
Don't worry. Today, we'll help you talk about yourself in English easily, naturally, and confidently.
By the end of this episode, you'll sound like a friendly native speaker when you meet someone new. Let's go.
Hey, everyone, and welcome back to Fluentmere English Podcast. I'm Anna.
And I'm Charles. We're so happy you're here.
Today's topic is one of the most important: how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, it's the first step in almost every conversation. When you meet someone new, go to a job interview, or even chat online, you need to know how to describe you.
And don't worry if your English is still improving. This episode is perfect for A2 to B1 learners. Easy English, real examples, and repeat after me moments.
Exactly. We'll show you step-by-step phrases you can use today. And later, we'll even do a little role play together.
All right, let's begin simple. Your name and where you're from.
When you meet someone new, you can say, "My name is Charles." Or, a little more natural, "I'm Charles."
Yes, so easy. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm Anna.
I'm Charles.
Now you try. Good.
To say where you're from, you can say, "I'm from USA," or "I'm from Mexico."
If you want to add more, you can say, I'm originally from Brazil, but I live in Canada.
That's a nice one. Try with your own country. Ready? I'm originally from blank, but I live in blank.
Nice work! You're already introducing yourself like a pro.
Next, people often ask about your age. But remember, in English, we say it simply.
Right, we say, I'm 25 years old, or even shorter, I'm 25.
Never say, I have 25 years. That's a common mistake.
Let's do it together. Repeat after me. I'm your age, years old.
You can also talk about your birthday. Say, my birthday is on April 2nd.
Or more casual, I was born on April 2nd.
Perfect. So now you can share your name, where you're from, and your age.
Okay, quick quiz time. I'll say a sentence. Tell me if it's correct or wrong.
Number 1, I have 20 years old.
That's wrong. It should be, I am 20 years old.
Number 2, I am from Japan.
That's correct. Great job.
Number 3, my born is on July 10.
Nope, we say, I was born on July 10th.
You're doing great. Let's move on.
Now let's talk about what you do, your job or your studies.
If you work, say, I'm a teacher, or I work as a designer.
Or I work in marketing. I work in a hospital. I work at a bank.
Easy pattern, right? I work as, or I work in, or I work at.
If you're a student, you can say, I'm a student, or I study English.
Try it with your real answer. Ready? I work as a, or I study.
Good job.
And if you're between jobs, you can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm taking a break right now.
That's natural English, honest and friendly. Now let's get to the fun part, your hobbies.
Everyone loves this question. What do you like doing in your free time?
You can answer, I like reading, or I like watching movies.
To sound more fluent, say, I love listening to music, or I enjoy playing football.
Let's practice pronunciation. Repeat after me. I enjoy cooking. I like reading. I love traveling.
Excellent.
And to make it more natural, add a reason. I love traveling because I like learning about new cultures.
Nice. Add your reason now. Pause and say it out loud.
Okay, quiz number 2. Listen carefully.
Which one is correct? A, I enjoy to play guitar. B, I enjoy playing guitar.
The correct answer is B. I enjoy playing guitar.
Yes. After enjoy, we use ing form.
Now let's talk about family, a big topic.
You can start with, I have a small family, or I have 2 brothers and 1 sister.
If you're married, say, I'm married. If not, I'm single.
Easy, right? You can also say, I live with my parents, or I live alone.
Let's do a small role play.
Hi, Anna. Tell me about your family.
Sure, I have 1 younger brother. He's funny and kind. My parents live in London.
Nice. That's a simple and natural answer.
Now your turn. Say out loud, I have, or my family.
Now let's talk about your personality.
You can describe yourself with adjectives. I'm friendly. I'm shy. I'm funny. I'm hardworking.
Yes, but don't say I'm boring unless you really mean it.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'm a positive person. I'm easygoing. I'm creative.
You can also talk about things you like I'm into music, I'm into sports, I'm really into cooking.
That's a cool modern way to say your interests. Try it. I'm into.
Now let's learn how to talk about your daily life.
You can say, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I go to work at 9. I have lunch at noon.
Add a little detail to sound natural. I drink coffee every morning, or I watch TV in the evening.
Perfect. Now your turn. Say your daily routine in 3 sentences.
All right, let's test your memory. Which one is correct? A, I am go to work at 9. B, I go to work at 9.
B. I go to work at 9. Great job.
Next, A, I'm like reading. B, I like reading.
It's B again. Simple present. I like reading. Now let's finish strong, talking about your future goals.
You can say, my dream is to travel the world, or I want to be a doctor.
Or, my goal is to improve my English this year.
Hey, that's a great one for everyone watching right now.
Let's all say it together. Ready? My goal is to improve my English this year.
Beautiful.
Now let's combine everything into one smooth self-introduction.
I'll go first. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Charles. I'm from Canada. I work as an English teacher, and I love helping students learn. In my free time, I enjoy playing guitar and traveling. I live with my wife and our little dog. I'm a positive person, and my goal is to keep growing and meeting new people.
Perfect. That's natural, warm, and short.
Now, your turn. Use what you learned today and say your own introduction.
Amazing. You did it.
You just learned how to talk about yourself in English like a native speaker.
Now you can introduce yourself with confidence, anywhere, anytime.
Remember, practice is key. Watch again and repeat the sentences until they feel natural.
And in the comments, tell us, how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
That's a great challenge.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode so more learners can join our community.
You're part of the Fluentmere English Podcast family now, and we're proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.